Welcome to our guide on developing and selling educational STEM kit. Whether you're an educator, a maker, or an entrepreneur, we've got resources to help you succeed. First, let's dive into some essential books. The Kickstart Guide to Making Great Makerspaces by Laura Fleming is a must-read for creating engaging STEM environments. For Hands-on Learning, The Invent to Learn Guide to Fun by Gary S. Stager and Sylvia Martinez offers fantastic project-based activities for students and educators. Podcasts are another great resource. The Maker Education podcast features interviews with experts in STEM education, providing valuable insights and inspiration. Don't miss the STEM Everyday podcast, which covers the latest trends and resources in STEM education through weekly discussions with industry leaders. YouTube is full of practical tutorials. Check out how to make a DIY STEM kit for kids by Make, for a step-by-step guide to creating your own kits. Online courses can also be incredibly helpful. Introduction to STEM Education by Coursera covers the fundamentals of STEM education and its importance in today's world. Finally, websites like STEM Education Coalition and STEM Connector offer a wealth of resources, from lesson plans to funding opportunities, to support your STEM education journey.